Hey guys, my name is Vlad, and I hope you already missed me because I haven't been around for almost a week. I work really hard to find great content for you, and today I have something really special. I want you to know up-to-date information. That's why in today's video we're gonna talk about new AI. It was released a few days ago, so I believe you should know about it. If you are interested, I definitely recommend for you watch this video till the end because you 100%, 1000%, million%, you should know about this AI. That's why please watch this video till the end. Are you ready? Let's go. OpenAI announced new AI, Sora. This AI can create for you a video from your text. It's insane. I believe it could be very useful for filmmakers, video creators, probably web developers as well, and other people who work with this kind of content. The new model aims to convert your text into the video. It's amazing. From plain text, you can get a video. About a month ago, it can create only images. However, right now, nowadays, it can create videos. It's amazing. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details. Sora is not available for public yet. However, today I will show you some examples for you to see what we can create with this AI. Let's see the first prompt. It will be really descriptive and we will see what we can get. Guys, look at this cool monster. It's amazing. Let's try another prompt. This time it will be a realistic one. The result is blowing my mind. It's amazing. It's so cool. It's so realistic. Let's look at one more prompt. Will be also a realistic one. Can you imagine that this video was made by AI? That's insane. Okay, this time it will be a little bit more complicated. Look at this, what we get. It's a market in Nigeria. This model will definitely change the way we're making video right now. It's amazing tools for visual artists. However, Sora has limitation. It can create for you a video up to 1 minute long. The OpenAI team promised that they make sure for it's safe enough before they make it available to the public. To show you that Sora is not 100% perfect yet, I will show you one example. Take a look at this. I've noticed this problem in basketball video. As you can see, first ball looks really realistic, but the second ball go through the ring, as you can see. Another hidden and cool features that Sora will have is the ability to generate video from your static image. They promise that it will animate the image, add a lot of details, and it will be really realistic. That sounds amazing and scary at the same time. Try to imagine what people can create with these kind of tools. I'm looking forward to look at this feature, and once it will be available, I will definitely create for you one video where you can try to see what I can do with this feature. If you want to know more information about Sora, I will share with you the link under this video. Please don't forget to share your thoughts regarding this AI, because it's really interesting. What do you think? That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you find this useful and interesting. If yes, please click like. If no, please click like, but don't forget to share your feedback and comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.